Good evening, friends. Hello, welcome. I want to share a quick tip today around order flow techniques of trying to capture trends and also trying to avoid getting into false trends. Essentially, trends are something where I think where most of the money is made by a trader in general, and also getting into a wrong trend or anticipating a trend and then the trend fails is where I think we also tend to lose a lot of money as a trader as well, right? So I'll share you a quick order flow technique of how we can sort of anticipate a trend and then eventually trade it, and also how when we can sort of get out when the trend is seemingly coming to a stop. Okay. So we will pick a day. We will pick a day here. Here I picked the Thursday's charts for a reason that we had trends on both the sides and how we could have traded that differently. Okay, so this is a footprint chart. ये जो chart है एक footprint chart है जो हम देख रहे हैं. This is just a footprint chart. Okay, and what we try to do is essentially try to understand when can a trend play out and when cannot a trend play out. What you see on this chart is, if you look at this particular chart, okay, in general for any candle, okay, each of these represent one candlestick. Generally आप normally जो candlestick देखते हैं, each of these represents one candlestick, and this is the this is the kind of the profile of the chart, volume or delta profile, whatever you call it. So each level पे how many buyers and sellers have got traded. Okay, each of these candles also have a marked area which is automatically marked by most of the softwares. In this case, I'm using Go Charting. So where you can see where it's highlighted in orange, if you see all of these are highlighted in orange, that is where the point of control of the candle itself. So essentially, that is the most traded volume of the candle itself. Okay, us candle का, not for the day or anything, but us particular candle का. Okay, so when I'm really scalping and I'm looking for market trend or anything, okay, there are two things I'm looking at. Okay, one एक है कि number one एक decisive candle. Okay, decisive candle is what? A big candle basically. Number two, point of control, how does it move? Okay, number three, okay, if the point of no, point of control and price close, sorry, number two, point of control and price close. Number three, point of control का trend जो है, ठीक है. So what we are trying to figure out is, one, I'm saying if a trend will continue, let's say a downside trend is likely to continue if one, your decisive candle is any large candle generally, so let's take it any candle. Two, if the price is generally closing below the point of control. So if this is the price of point of control, let's say price is closed here. Next candle, if this is the point of control, price is closing at least below or lower side of the candle. Three, the point of control itself is shifting lower per candle. Okay, so that will indicate that the trend can continue. Okay, now on that basis, if you analyze this first candle itself, okay, here was the point of control, priced closed way lower. So generally first my criteria one met, criteria two met, criteria three will be met when I see point of control moving lower. Okay, so does it move lower or not? Next candle, point of control is lower, then this one is not lower, but then this one lower and this one is, so then this and this clearly gives a sign that point of control has started moving lower. And if you see point of control continues to move lower as a trend in generally, these are the point of controls. This again way lower, price closes again in this case much lower. So if you even took this breakdown, you could take this breakdown because price closed lower than this point of control. And here comes a point where if you see the point of control now starts getting zigzag, this. So it's a zigzag point of control where there is no definite up or downside, but it's rotating. So that is where you get the first signs that market might be stopping somewhere here. Market, we do not know whether it will be low or not, but market might be stopping. So that is where the second part of the problem of getting outside, exiting a trade when the trend is likely to getting stopped. So here I'm not waiting for a big reversal or anything. I'm just saying that okay, now the point of control has started moving up and down and we are looking to exit the trade. Okay, so I'm not looking for a big trailing stop loss. I'm looking to at least book some profits or exit the trade. Okay, now comes the second part. Let's say similarly on the bullish side, what I'm looking at, number one, again decisive candle, which is a big candle. Number two, your price closing greater than the point of control or at least around the point of control. Number three, point of control shifting higher in trend. Okay, so that is the third thing I'm looking at. So let's see when we look at this. Okay, here if you see till this point price is rotating. In this case here becomes the first case where if you see bullish candle, okay, and prices have closed higher again, bullish candle, but in this case point of control is lower. But in the next candle you have a bullish candle, prices again, but closed around the point of control, okay. Again prices flat here, prices close lower, okay. But this is one candle where you see bullish, prices again closed higher. Then this one is a point price is closed. So this candle kind of meets my criteria finally, where point of control is moved higher, decisive candle, and also price is closed higher than the point of control. What happens after that, if you see, is that emerging upside trade taking place completely, okay. Even when you want to trail this position now, what are you doing? You're seeing continuously point of control moving higher, so you continue to trail this trend, okay. This is where again point of control starts moving around here and there, rotation, nothing much is happening. You know that trend might come to a close, and you might look to close the position or trail it very aggressively, okay. This is a very good fast scalping technique we use in the markets, and try to use that, observe the trends in any instruments that you do, okay. Remember, each candle in footprint will have its point of control, whatever time frame, 1 minute up, you look at it, 5 minute, 15 minute, whatever time frame you choose is your choice, okay. Guys, hope this is helpful. Leave your feedback, leave your comments. Thank you so much.